We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change a toner cartridge on a Brother HL3075CW. So this printer takes a TN210 series. You're going to lift this hatch right here and go ahead and pull your toner out. You want to be very careful not to touch this. On this particular cartridge it's really hard, but what you're going to want to do is separate your toner from your drum. This is going to be your toner right here. This is going to be your drum. So you're going to take your new toner and you're going to stick it back in here. Once you hear it click, you know that it's in there. Make sure not to touch those rollers. If you get fingerprints on there, it could put oil on there and it could cause print defects. So once you put your toner in, your new one, click it in, shut your hatch, and your printer should calibrate. If you're in need of supplies or any quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.